What is the difference between sales funnel and a marketing funnel? If you are interested to know, then just keep watching this video, because by the end of this video, you will have the clarity uh, about the difference between the two. Hello everyone, my name is Rishabh Jain. I am a digital funnel expert and the founder of Freedom Funnels Hub. And in today's video, I am going to tell you the difference between sales funnel and marketing funnel. But before we jump into the video, just make sure that you have just hit the subscribe button, and you also press the bell icon so that you will be notified about all the future videos. So let's just begin the video. Okay, so what is the difference between the sales funnel and the marketing funnel? Sales funnel and marketing funnel. Okay, so as you can see that both are funnels, but there is a difference. One is for marketing purpose and other one is for sales purpose. Oh wow, what a logic, right? Anyone can tell that okay, sales funnel is for sales and marketing funnel is for marketing. Even a 5-year-old kid can tell this thing. Is this the only difference? No, there is a much more deep thing, uh, and we have to understand it. Okay, so the number one thing is that the sales funnel is actually the step by step process that your customer your customer is going to follow to purchase your products and services. Okay, how you are going to place your products at different levels, uh, at different steps that your customer will buy. Okay, so that sequence, that step by step process will be the sales funnel, and the purpose is the purpose of this funnel is to sell. Okay, here you are basically selling the products, so uh, you will include things like you will have upsells, you will have downsells, you will make different offers at different steps, and you will try to sell um, 2 3 or even 4 products. Okay, and what is the purpose of doing this? The purpose of all these steps is to increase the uh, overall value, overall uh, price, the money that is the person is going to spend with you. Okay, so that is called average order value. So you basically want to increase that order value, the order that uh, the person is going to place. You want to increase the value of that order. You want to uh, sell more and more things. So the funnel will do this thing for you. Funnel will guide that person. Your sales funnel mainly will guide the person that why he or she need to buy what you are suggesting. Okay, and once the person has decided to buy, in the next step you will suggest something else, the next logical thing which that person needed to solve the problem, because the person who is buying the product or service is actually trying to solve the problem. So you will place all the products in such a way that these products will solve the problem of that person. Okay, so this is the sales funnel. Okay, now here comes the second thing, which is the marketing funnel. What is the marketing funnel? So marketing funnel is mainly, the purpose of marketing funnel is to help you to reach out to more and more people. Or if I will put it in another word, it is actually the purpose of marketing funnel is to increase the reach of your brand, and also to take your sales funnel to more and more people. Okay, the marketing funnel will help your sales funnel to reach out to people, because if you will not have the right marketing funnel, the people will not going to find your sales funnel. And when the people don't know about your sales funnel, they are not uh, you will not going to make any sale, or they are not going to buy anything. Okay, because they will not able they will not be able to find you, your funnel, right? So marketing funnel is all about increasing the reach. Okay, and how how a person who is completely unknown, who don't know anything about you, will turn into a paying customer. So taking a customer from an unknown to lead to a customer, and then even to a brand advocate. Okay, these are the steps that marketing funnel will help you to achieve. Okay, so marketing funnel will uh, create awareness. First, in first stage, it will create awareness about the product, about your brand, about you. And in the second step, your marketing funnel uh, will will uh, generate leads. Okay, it will actually uh, it will actually add those peoples into your community, into your email list. uh, okay, so they are in the consideration stage where they know you, and they want to stay connected with you, because in future they want to buy something from you. Okay, they want to hear more from you, they want to listen more to you. Okay, they want to know more about your brand. That is why they will subscribe to your email list. That is why they started following for following your social media accounts, right? So that is the second stage. Okay, the first stage is about creating awareness about your brand, about your product. The second stage is about creating about converting those people into leads, and nurturing them. And the third stage is the conversion stage, where they will convert, where they will into your sales funnel, and they are actually making transactions. Okay, so these are the three stages. And even after these three stages, there is a stage like you can have customer service, and you can convert them into brand advocates. So this is the purpose of marketing funnel. Your marketing funnel is very important, because if you don't have a marketing funnel, no one is going to know about you. Okay, so uh, what happens is most of the people actually talk about funnels. Okay, but they generally don't discuss the difference. What is the difference? And let me tell you one very important thing. Okay, you should have the separate strategies for sales and marketing funnels. Okay, you should have the uh, clear cut diagram, clear cut step by step uh, process which your customers are going to follow in sales funnels and in marketing funnels. So when you have these two funnels separately planned out, separately drawn onto your paper, onto your uh, diary. Okay, you will know exactly how you are going to do your marketing, and how you are going to make the sales. So it is like having two different systems, and it's very important to have systems in business. Okay, because people fail but system don't fail. So you need to have systems, and sales and marketing funnels are the systems. Marketing funnel will help you to market your brand to help you to reach out to more, to millions of people. And sales funnel will help you to convert those people into paying customers. Okay, so now I think you got the clarity about the difference between the sales funnel and the marketing funnel. Okay, so if you really think that what I have shared with you is valuable and you got some value, then please let me just tell me in the comment box. Okay, tell me in the comment box, type value in the comment box. In whatever platform you are listening, just type value in the comment box. I am waiting. Okay, You- because I think that I have explained the concept in a very simple language. And if you think that yes, you got the clarity about it, my request to you is just go and figure out all the two funnels separately, plan these two funnels separately, and start working on them. Okay, if you really want to grow your business, if you really want to take your business to the next level, you have to do it. You have to have that separate strategies for sales and marketing, and for that you need sales funnels and marketing funnels. So, if you are really interested to learn more about sales funnels and marketing funnels, you can join my community, Freedom Funnels Hub. You will get the link somewhere in the description. Just go click the link and join the community, because in this community, we are connecting with the people who are actually interested in sales and marketing funnel and want to learn more and more about sales and marketing funnel. So in this community, I am going to conduct live trainings where I will share my learnings. I'm a hardcore practitioner. I I have created multiple funnels for myself, for my business. I keep trying and testing different things. So I will share and those concepts with you. And I learn from the top marketeers, top entrepreneurs across the industry. So I will share those insights with you. So I hope that you find this video valuable, and if you think that you got some value, then just please don't forget to subscribe the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Also, please uh, like this video, because if you do that, it will help me to reach out to more and more people. So it's just my request. If you will do it, I will feel really happy. Okay, so that's all for today's videos, guys. I have just um, created this video after a very long period of time, because I was busy in my personal life. But from today's onward, you are going to see a lot of videos. Okay, I am going to post videos consistently, and if you really want to stay connected with me, then please join my community. Okay, if you will join the community, we will stay connected, and you can connect directly with me. Okay, we can talk, we can chat, and you can and discuss things. Okay, so that's all, guys. Thank you very much.